screens tomorrow, you will see another line which is filling up. What you need to ask yourself, and anyone who's watching the election on Sunday morning with you, you need to ask them, are these colors looking more or less in line with these colors? Oh wait, what is the green doing under the BJP stronghold? That means a BJP stronghold area has been turned into a Congress victory. So you can look at the trend that way. I'll explain this more and more as we go on tomorrow. Smriti Irani, welcome. Well, what we're going to do is between now and 9 o'clock we go to 3 states: Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and
Karthik.
Rajasthan in that order. Smriti Irani, welcome. Rajiv Gada, the Congress party, welcome. It's great to have both of you. Okay, first let's start with Chhattisgarh. Yeah. And in Chhattisgarh, in 2008, it was actually down close like this. Yeah, it was primarily the north and the tribal south. Tribal north and the tribal south.
Karthik.
Yeah, of the 23 seats put together there, the BJP had 18, the Congress had 5. So only if the tally were to reverse, the Congress would be. So my first question is on the screen. Can the BJP ride solely on Raman Singh in Chhattisgarh to hope to retain power? Smriti Irani.
The BJP is confident of retaining Chhattisgarh not only because of the charisma and the work done by Dr. Raman Singh, but also because of the organizational network and the effort put in by our party workers in the state of Chhattisgarh. Along with Chhattisgarh, we are expecting good results in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Delhi, purely because of the cohesive attempt by our leadership and our party workers to ensure that the BJP rides to victory.
You know, the criticism of the Congress party, Mr. Rajiv Gada, has been that you've chosen to be leaderless when you shouldn't have been. You know, you have a colossus of a regional leader called Raman Singh, and you have a leaderless Congress, which is in stark contrast to, such a strong regional satrap of the BJP. Why didn't you try to change that in recent months?
The Congress has traditionally not gone ahead with Congress, not a practice, and we're quite confident that we will still be able to come up with a very good CM candidate. The results come out tomorrow. In response to your question about Raman Singh, if you look, Raman Singh has been trying to ask people to vote for him, but in reality, every MLA is facing anti-incumbency, and you're going to see a lot of local elections which will cumulatively end up in a victory for the Congress.
One question which comes to my mind and is that as far as Chhattisgarh is concerned, will it be a referendum of the UPA's food security bill on the one side? Visa